Good morning, children. Welcome back to English Virtual Class. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today, you take out your English reader book. We'll do the unit Go Green, Unit 5. And in this last chapter, the Green Act. So, before we start the chapter, let's read what is given in the C1. Let's read. A conservationist is a person who protects the environment and the threatened species. You don't have to be an adult to be a conservationist. Even children can make a significant contribution to slow down the climate change and help people as well as animals all over the world. So, children, who is a conservationist? Who protects the environment, who helps in protecting the environment. It is not necessary that only the elder people can do. It can be done by the children also. You can also help to save the animals, to plants, all these you can also help. Even a kid can make a difference. Do all you can do to be a conservation. So even you can also do. So now read this story of Neha and Sachin who decided to act instead of just watching and complaining. So this story I am telling you in brief. This is the story about two kids, Sachin and Neha, who were very much excited to uh, come to the island, to the sea beach, Nicobar Island. And in holidays, their parents, they committed that they will go there, Nicobar Island, and basically they were from a small hill station. So they were very excited, like you all are excited when you have to go in holidays. Your parents say you will go to some other places. You are excited. Same way, both were excited when they reached there. They wanted to go to the sea beach, and but when they reached the beach, they were very much depressed. They were very much disappointed because the beach was very filthy. Filthy means very dirty. Cans, plastic bottles were scattered over there. So they felt very bad for how the people can make the beach, so beautiful beach, a dirty place. So when they came back to their hotel room, they both the children they decided to make the beach clean. For that, they purchased few things and different things they purchased, and even they took the help of the hotel manager also. And next morning they placed the red dustbins near the vendors and the placards with the request that keep the beach clean. So this way manager also helped when, and in the morning they started cleaning the beach. They picked the throwaway wrappers and the bottles and put it in the dustbin. And everybody, even the hotel staff, they also started helping these kids. When their parents they saw the beach clean, and their mother said, "Ki, I am very proud of you. Ki, you are my kids." So everybody started helping these kids, children, and even then they uh, uh, make requested all the people, please don't make the beach dirty. And everybody was felt ashamed, and they started cleaning the beach. They told about this about to their friends also through Facebook. They made a group also. So this is the story about say Neha and Sachin. Now we will read this story, and you will try to understand. You will enjoy this story, and you should be like these kids. Let's start. The taxi arrived at the hotel Seaview. What is the name of the hotel? Seaview. And the children couldn't contain their excitement. They were so excited. After checking in, they requested their parents to go down to the beach without delay, because they were very excited to go to the beach, because they were basically they were from the hill station. They were so excited and they wanted to go there. They had come all the way from a small hill station to visit Nicobar Island. So which island? Nicobar Islands. Ever since their father had announced this vacation trip, they had been anxiously, very eagerly waiting for the day. I can't wait for to be here there, Neha had said excitedly while looking at the pictures of the island. It's only a matter of few hours and soon we will be there, had said her brother Sachin. So the name of the boy is Sachin and the girl is Neha, softly, who was 3 years older than her. Holding hands, they ran straight towards the vast expanse of blue water. Their parents trailed behind them slowly. Be careful and stay away from the deep water, shouted their mother. Once closer to the beach, Neha and Sachin stopped short. What a filthy place! Filthy means dirty place, said the disappointed Neha. Who throws these cans, plastic bottles, eatables? She pointed to the trash. Trash means garbage, being tossed to and fro by the waves. Oh my god, it's awful. How can someone spoil such a beautiful place? Neha looked around and saw people enjoying themselves. They were least bothered by the dirty surroundings. She actually saw some tourists as well as the local people adding to the already littered place. With a heavy heart, they entered the water and soon forgot about the surroundings. For hours, they enjoyed themselves. It was such fun riding on the waves, collecting shells, throwing water at each other. Back in their hotel room, Sachin said to Neha, something should be done about these surroundings. Why? It also affects the marine life, means sea life. But what can we do? I have a plan, Sachi whispered in Neha's ear. Her eyes grew round. That's nice, but will it work? We can always give it a try, replied a very enthusiastic Sachin. Neha and Sachin went out in the evening for shopping. They returned with their hands full of strange things. The entire evening was spent in the room, and with the permission of their parents, they had a quiet dinner in the room itself. They shared their plan with the hotel manager, and early in the morning, many big red dustbins were placed on the beach. Bright green painted placards were planted near the vendors, requesting people to keep the beach clean. Neha and Sachin started picking up the throwaway bottles, cans, food wrappers, and other things from the beach. This encouraged the hotel staff and also joined the children who were on a cleaning mission. Their parents were surprised to see Neha and Sachin wearing a sash, each with a bold writing in green. It said, keep the beach clean. The beach definitely looks cleaner, said the proud mother, hugging both her green heroes. I would also like to wear a sash to be a member of your Green Brigade, said their father. I'm really proud to have such wonderful children. Let's present these sashes to the people over here and request them to wear them, suggested Neha and ran towards the crowded area. The tourists felt ashamed and promised these little children to maintain cleanliness in future. But for Neha and Sachin, more was needed to be done. They wanted to do more, something more. They had more plans back home. They had to email their friends about their achievement. We need members to join our Green Club on Facebook. Venkat and overjoyed Sachin. So this is the story about Neha and Sachin, how excited they were, and they did not bother ki where they are going to clean. So where they saw the unclean area, so they cleaned that. And you should also do the same. Now let's do the difficult words. I'll read for you. Excitement, announced, expands, awful, hugging, achievement, anxiously, filthy, trash, permission, ashamed, wing. All these difficult words should be written in the reader copy with the help of blue gel pen. First, you have to write the name of lesson, difficult words, date, all this. Now are the word meaning. First is filthy. Filthy means, I think now it is clear to you what is the meaning of the filthy? Dirty. Trash, garbage. Expense, a large open area. Awful, very bad and unpleasant. Ashamed, feeling guilty. So that's all for today. Your homework is read lesson carefully and do difficult words and word meaning. Thank you and bye-bye.